Welcome to the Strato Automation Technical channel. In this video, we will be discussing setting up the BZ424 in a pressure-dependent VAV system. In a pressure-dependent system, there is no flow station on the VAV box. If the upstream is cold, the damper will modulate between open and closed if the zone is in cooling, and will close if the zone is in heating. Let's look at the airflow setup of a pressure-dependent VAV. In the parameters, the main options are for whether your actuator is set for direct or reverse, and whether to open or close your damper in unoccupied mode. If you choose the option closed, there will be no heat and no fan in unoccupied mode, and the damper will be closed. As far as the flow set points, these are not used since there is no flow station. Next, let's look at the temperature set points. The occupied set points are determined based on the room T set point in the deadband, where the set point will be, for the cooling set point will be the room T set point plus the deadband. Standby offsets can be set here to determine how far off the VAV can go if put into standby mode. Downstream will give you your maximum and minimum discharge air values. You can give your box a weight if the system is a VVT type system. Unoccupied set points can be set individually for heating and cooling. Changeover, when the upstream is hot or cold, is determined by either comparing the upstream air to the zone temp, or it can be given a constant value. If the air in the duct will always be cold, you can disable the changeover. Let's look at the inputs. The room temp is usually a T-zone if you have one installed. Otherwise, it will be an analog input or external. Upstream and downstream can be external or analog inputs. Outputs will determine reheats, baseboard and parallel or series fans if any are needed. So for instance, right now I have electric reheat and electric baseboard. I can get rid of the baseboard if I need to. And I can use a parallel fan or a series fan if I have one. Once the application config is set up, use the button to send the application config. Thank you for watching the Strato Automation Technical channel. Have a great day.